Hello everyone, it's a science of standard 4th, chapter number 11, force, work and energies, exercise, section A, class response, A number oral questions. First, how can you say that friction slows down the movement of an object? First number answer, when we roll a ball over the floor, it slows down eventually due to friction. Second number, when do we say that work is done? Second number answer, when a body moves through a distance after applying force, work is said to be done. Third number, why do we use simple machines? Third number answer, we use simple machines because they make our work easier. B number, science quiz. First number, name the force responsible for the falling of ripe mangoes or ripe fruits. Again, name the force responsible for falling of ripe fruits. Answer is gravitational force. Answer is gravitational force. Second number, which force helps us to write on a paper? Answer is friction. Answer is friction. Third number, what is a wind energy? Answer, energy from the wind is called wind energy. Energy from or obtained from wind, energy obtained from the wind is called wind energy. Now, worksheet A number MCQs. First, a push or a pull is called, answer is B, force. Second number, a device that makes our work faster and easier is known as a simple, answer is A, machine. Okay. B number, circle the odd ones and give the reason for your choice. First number, wedge, pulley, ball, answer is ball. Second number, screw, bicycle, pulley, answer is bicycle. Third number, solar cooker, solar heater and electric heater, answer is electric heater. Now why? So first number answer is ball because others are types of machines. Second number answer is bicycle because others are types of simple machines, whereas it is a compound machine. Third number, electric heater. Why? Answer is why electric heater? Others run from solar energy, that is why. Okay. C number, filling the blanks with the help of the given words. First number, force can change the shape of an object, answer is shape. Second number, a screw is used to hold things. SCREW. Third number, energy is the ability to do work, answer is energy. Fourth number, wind energy is used to rotate the blades of a blank, answer is windmill. Fifth number, dam is used to produce hydroelectricity, answer is dam. D number, join the dots, identify the simple machines and write the names in the space provided, also color them. First number answer is screw, second number is X, third number is wheel and axle. Okay, these dots you have to join. Okay, these dots you have to join, and if you want to color, then color also you can do. Now section B, A number MCQs. First number, a pair of scissors is an example of, answer is C, lever. Second number, hydroelectricity is produced through, answer is A, flowing water. Now B number, very short answer questions. First, name the force by which the earth pulls the objects towards it. Answer of first number, gravitational force. Answer of first number, gravitational force. Second number, give an example of a wedge. Second number, answer is knife, KNIF, knife. Third number, give an example of a wheel and axle. Answer of third number, bicycle. Okay, answer of third number is bicycle. C number short answer questions. First, why is friction essential for us? First number answer, friction is essential for us when we write on a paper, we walk on a surface. Second number, when a wall is pushed, it does not move from its place. Is any work done in this situation? Why? Second number answer, no, because the position of the wall is not changed. Work is said to be done only when force applied on a body and make the body move in the direction of force. Third number, Rishabh's mother seldom uses LPG and electrical equipment and mostly uses solar energy for cooking and heating purposes. Rishabh was convinced his friends and neighbors also to do so. A number, what is solar energy? Third number, A answer, the energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. B number, what value does Rishabh's mother show by using solar energy? B number answer, care for the environment and save electricity. Fourth number, what is meant by gravitational force? Fourth number answer, the force by which the earth pulls the objects towards itself is called gravitational force or gravity. Fifth number, what is friction? Answer of fifth number, friction is a force that tries to stop a moving object. D number, long answer questions. First, what is the difference between a lever and pulley? Answer of first number, lever is a simple machine used for to cut things, lift with weights and open lids. Scissors, seesaw and bottle opener are the examples of simple machines. Pulley is a simple machine used to draw water from the wells. It consists of a rope running over a wheel. The wheel is grooved to prevent the rope from slipping off. Second number, what is water energy? How is it related to hydroelectricity? Second number answer, the energy of flowing water is called water energy or hydro energy. Energy of water falling from dams is used to rotate the turbines of the generator to generate electricity. Electricity produced by the energy of flowing water is called hydroelectricity. Third number, discuss the effects of force. Answer of third number, effects of forces are, force can move a resting object. Second number, force can speed up a moving object. Third number, force can change the direction of the moving object. Fourth number, force can stop a moving object. Fifth number, force can change the shape of an object. Sixth number, force can slow down a moving object. E number, think and answer. First number, identify and name the simple machines in the pictures given alongside. First number answer, the first picture of a trolley bag is a wheel and axle. The second picture of seesaw is a lever. Second number, while we sleep or think or just stand at a place, no work is done in terms of science. Why? Second number answer, work is said to be done only when a force applied on a body makes the body move in the direction of the force. Thus, if we sleep, think or just stand at a place no work is said to be done. Dear students, here we have completed our whole exercise. Please write it down one time in your notebook. This is your homework. Okay, thank you.